Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, content creator, Triangular Kamal Academy. Here I welcome to all of you in my academic classes. Now we are going to start here higher mathematics for the students of standard 9 and 10. Here this is the consecutive class. We have done exercise 8.1 and 8.2. Now we are going to start here 8.3. In the last few classes we have done up to question number 8. And there are total 6 questions in question 8. We have done 2 questions. Now we are going to start here from question number 3. Let's see the topic. Yeah, this is the question number. This is the left hand side and we have to prove successively this one. After doing simplification, result will be 2. So first identify here acute angle. Suppose this is pi by 7 is acute angle. So now we will convert this one into pi by 7, this one into pi by 7, this one into pi by 7. So this one we can remaining here same, sine square pi by 7. And here if we write here like suppose sine, first step right here pi by 2 and then give here minus. Because minus easily we can write as plus. So now 7 and 2, their LCM will be 14. Here we will get here 40 LCM 7 times of pi, then minus 2 times of pi. There will be pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 2. Okay, if we take LCM here like 2 and 4 and its LCM will be 2 and 7. 2 and 7 and their LCM will be 2, 1 are 2 and 7, 7 2 are 14. So if we take here the 14 as LCM, then 7 pi minus here twice pi. After doing calculation, we will get here 5 pi by 14. That means 5 pi by 14 we can write in this form. Now there is square. So using second bracket, we can give here the square. Now give attention to the third part. Here in the same way, if we give plus, there will be suppose 8 is the 1 times 1 more than 1 times. So now easily you can identify here sine. This is sine and 8 1 times more than 7. So right here pi, that means this is 1 time. So now here pi by 7. 7 ones are 7 plus pi equals to 8 pi. And just use here second bracket, then square. Now third one. So there is in times of subtraction we will get here 5. Now if we give here addition like sine 9 pi by 14. So 9 pi by 14 if we give here 7 plus 2. So now pi by 2 plus pi by 7. So here 7 plus 2 equals to 9 and 7 2 is 14. And there is square remaining here. Okay. So all theta converted as now same unit. Okay, right here this is sine square pi by 7 plus here this is the first quadrant. So now there is invisible this pi by 2. There is invisible 1 which is the odd number. We said already in previous classes when the 90 is the odd times, then sine converted as cos and cos will be sine. So now here there is invisible 1 multiply as a pi by 2. So sine converted into cos pi by 7. So now this is the first quadrant. So first quadrant all are 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree minus theta means in the first quadrant. So in first quadrants all are positive. So here remaining cos square, this is square same. Okay, next step 180 plus pi by 7. That means 180 plus theta. 180 means 2 times of 90. 2 times of 90 or 2 times of pi by 2. That means even number. So no change. There will be sine pi by 7. Now give attention in positive or negative sign. 180 plus something. So if we think here, this is 180 pi plus 7 pi by 2. That means something. That means third quadrant. Third quadrant sign. This is opposite side. minus, and hypotenuse is always plus. So minus divided by opposite divided by hypotenuse, plus minus minus. That means in third quadrant this angle sign is always negative, so we can give here minus and then now square in the second bracket. So now finally last part here. Okay, if we give here next one, sin 90 degree plus theta, that means 90 means 1 times here invisible 1, so this one will be cos pi by 7. 90 plus something, that means in the 90 plus something second quadrant, in second quadrant this is opposite side is plus, hypotenuse is also plus, so opposite by hypotenuse plus divided by plus equal to plus, that's why this is positive, so directly we can give here square. So now simplification, first step simplification done. Now we will do at the next step. So remain here sin square pi by 7 plus cos square pi by 7, minus square always positive, so this is sin square pi by 7 plus cos square pi by 7. Here sin square pi by 7 we can write here together, theta is the same, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here also a square sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, so there is 2, and our requirement is find the show that, so this is the right hand side. According to the question, the simplification of left hand side is equals to 2, which is right hand side. So now we can write here, this is right hand side, so left hand side equals to right hand side, and this is proved. Okay, let's see the next question, question number 5. Sorry, question number 4. So here question number 4, after simplification we have to show here 1. So question number 8, 4. So first step, write the left hand side. This left hand side is equals to sine 7 pi by 3 multiply cos 13 pi by 6 minus cos 5 pi by 3 sine 11 pi by 6. So now first step, if the number is greater than 3, there is a difference between numerator and denominator is near to 2 times. So first step, if we write here sine, if we divide like 7 divided by 3, we will get here 2 times and remainder 1. So now here 2 times of pi, remainder 1 means pi by 3. This is done, and multiply with the cos, and cos is also 13 divided by 6, we will get here 2 and remainder 1. So now twice pi plus pi by 6. In the same way here cos 5. So here 2 times, 1 times only pi minus here twice pi minus 3, oh sorry, plus 2 pi divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 pi 5 pi. I think if we write here 2 times, then easily all angle will be same. Okay, in the next step also we can do. Okay, if we write here 2 times, suppose twice pi, that means 2 times, then pi by this pi with this one is 3, then 3 2s are 6 minus 1 times, that means now 5. Simplification done. So here sine 11, that means 2 times less than 1, so we can write here 2 times of pi minus this is 6 and now pi. So 6 2s are 12 minus 1 11. I think now second line simplification done. Now we will do simplification. Next step, this is 2 times of pi means 90 is 4 times, so even number, so no change. First step sine pi by 3. Now quadrant, Is it positive or negative? Suppose if we write here sine 200 sine twice pi plus something 1 pi 2 pi 2 pi plus something, that means first quadrant all are positive, so no need to sign here positive. The second one cos twice pi, that means even times of pi by 2, that means 4 times, which is no change, cos pi by 6. But in the second quadrant, this is the 2 pi, this is the 2 pi plus some twice pi plus something, that means first quadrant 1 pi. If we write here like this is 1 pi 2 pi 2 pi plus something, first quadrant all are positive, no change. Now second one here cos pi time 2 times of pi, that means 4 times of pi by 2, so even number, there will be cos pi by 3. Okay, now the 2 pi minus something, let me review here, 2 pi minus something, first pi second pi twice pi minus something, that means back. This is the fourth quadrant cos is, this is adjacent minus, and hypotenuse is always, sorry, adjacent is positive and hypotenuse is positive, this is also positive, no change. Now the next one sine twice pi, that means 4 times of 90, so no change, even number, 4 means even, pi by 6. Let's see here positive or negative. The twice pi minus something, so twice pi, first 1 pi 2 pi minus something, that means fourth quadrant opposite and hypotenuse, so opposite is minus, hypotenuse is plus, plus minus minus, that means this one is negative. So in the fourth quadrant sine is negative in fourth quadrant. So now do the simplification here, sine and cos. So now sine pi by 3 cos pi by 6 plus minus minus plus cos pi by 3 sine pi by 6. So do put their value and do the calculation. Cos 60 degree root over 3 divided by 2 cos 60 degree, sine 30 degree root over 3 divided by 2 plus cos 60 degree half sine 30 degree half. There will be root 3 divided by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4, and here in the right side 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to, taking the 4 LCM, 3 plus 1 equals to 4 by 4, which is 1. So now let's review the second. Yes, left hand side equals to right hand side. So we can write here left hand side equal to right hand side, and this is our proof. So now this is the question number 4 done. Let's see the next question, question number 5. So here also after doing simplification, result will be 1. Question number 8, 5. Sine, this is the left hand side, sine 13 pi divided by 3 cos 13 pi divided by 6 minus sine 11 pi divided by 6 and cos minus 5 pi divided by 3. Now let's see here. Okay, if we do calculation here like sine 13 is the 4 times 1 more, so 4 pi plus 5 by 3. This is also 2 times 1 more, 2 times of 6, then 1 more, cos 2 times plus 1 more, 1 by 6. Here 2 times less 1, so now 11 means 2 times of pi minus 1, pi by 6. So here 3, we can write 2 times minus 1, 2 times 6 minus 1, yes, this will be 5. So cos twice pi 2 times minus 1. So now 2 3 is 6 minus 1, 5. There is a minus angle, so first step we should convert this minus angle as plus or minus sign. Okay, let me review this one. First step, we have to put here cos minus theta. What is the result of cos minus theta? In the fourth quadrant, negative angle. So cos means this is negative and this is positive and this is always positive. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse always positive. So we can write here first step cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. So there will be 5 divided by 3. In the next step we will apply here acute angle. So now this is 4 times of pi means 8 times of 90. So this is even number. So definitely no change in sine to cos or cos to sine 3. Now 4 pi minus 4 pi plus something. 4 pi plus something means if we write here, suppose this is quadrant system, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi plus something, that means next. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Now, this is the cos, no change. Right here, cos pi by 6. Now, twice pi plus something. So, if we draw the figure here, 1 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi plus something. That means first quadrant, all are positive, no change. So, next one, first step remaining minus. So, sign, no change of sign. That means any number, any integer number with the pi, there is no change of the ratio, like n times of pi, no trigonometric ratio change. Sin theta will remain as sin theta, cos theta remain as cos theta, tan theta remain as tan theta. But when it's the n of pi by 2, then n is odd number, then it changes, but not change in even number. So here sin, no change, pi by 6. Let me review the quadrant system. Second, twice pi minus something. Twice pi minus something. First step, if we show here, twice pi minus something. Okay. 1 pi, 2 pi, twice pi minus something. In the fourth quadrant, this is opposite minus. So my opposite by hypotenuse, there is a plus minus minus. So this is minus. In the fourth quadrant, there is minus, formula minus. So I think we should give here bracket. Okay, this is done. So now we will do the same simplification what we have done previous first 3 terms. Okay, do here. This is a 5. 5 means 2 times minus 1. So now write here cos 2 times minus 1 pi by 3. So if we do here, skip the positive sign in the first 3. This is cos pi by 6. See here minus minus plus, there is plus sine pi by 6, and here twice pi minus something. First step, no change of the cos pi by 3 because this is the even times of 90. Here and the quadrant, twice pi minus something. First pi, second pi minus something, twice pi minus something. Fourth quadrant always, this is adjacent is positive, hypotenuse is always positive, plus by plus is positive. So no change, this is multiply. Now put their value here. First step, sine pi by 3, its value is root over 3 divided by 2. Cos pi by 3, that means root over 3 divided by 2 plus sine 30 degree. Sine means 30 degree, 1 by, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. So again, if we do simplification, root 3 divided by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. We see here this is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here we will get here this is 4, 3 plus 1 equals to 4 by 4 equals to 1 equal right hand side. So now left hand side equals to our requirement is 1. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, let's see the next question. If we see here next question, number 6 of 8. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. Sine are negative. Sin theta negative. So we have to identify where tan is positive because this value is positive but sin is negative. First step, we have to identify quadrant. Then we will apply the value of tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, and tan theta. First step, we have to identify in which quadrant tan is positive but the sign is negative. So question number 6 here we can write. Let me review this one. Okay. Now if we discuss this quadrant system, here all are positive. Here in the second quadrant, the tan is negative. In the third quadrant tan is positive. So first draw the figure in the third quadrant. Here adjacent side is minus, opposite side minus, hypotenuse is always plus. So here in the third quadrant, if we give here x, this is x prime, this one is y, this one is y prime. So now in the third quadrant tan is positive because here minus 10 value is minus, opposite side is minus, adjacent side is also minus, so minus minus plus. That's why in third quadrant tan is positive. But in the third quadrant, what is the value of sine? Sine is opposite, which is minus, divided by hypotenuse, plus minus minus. So it's very clear to us in the third quadrant sine is positive and tan is negative. That means they are different. Okay. Now we have to draw the figure in the third quadrant. So now mention the figure third quadrant, which is theta, and identify here the third quadrant, x prime, and this is x positive, and this is y, and this is y prime. Here this is 0. So we can mention that this is A and this one is B. So now we know tan theta is equals to here, tan theta is equals to here, sorry, not the sin theta, tan theta, this value is given here. Tan theta is equals to here 3 by 4. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. And so we know here in the third quadrant, so there's both are negative, adjacent side. So that means minus minus plus. So now we can give here, this is the third quadrant, opposite side is minus 3 and adjacent side is minus 4. It's clear to us. Here now in triangle OAB, by here A is the right angle triangle, here A is equals to 90 degree. By using Pythagorean's theorems, easily you can identify OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. This OA means minus 4 square plus minus 3 square. This is 16 plus 9. There will be 25. This is 25. So value of OB, that means square shifted right side, there will be positive, hypotenuse is always positive. So now here hypotenuse is plus 5. So now we will put this value in our requirement. What is the left side? Left side here, left side of question number 6, 8, left side is equals to sin plus cos, sec plus tan. So here sin theta plus cos theta, and this is sec theta plus tan theta. So directly we can apply the formula here. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite side is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse 5. Sec means the reciprocal of cos. So 5 by minus 4. And tan means opposite by here minus 3 by minus 4. So from the figure we can apply the value here. Now do the simplification. sorry, here if we take in the numerator part 5 is LCM, there will be minus 3 minus 4, and now here right here the minus 5 by 4 we can write here, or plus there is plus minus minus plus, so we can write here 3 by 4. Okay, in the upper portions, if we do calculation here, minus 7 by 5. But here we can take LCM 4, minus 5 plus 3. So now minus 7 by 5 divided by minus 2 by 4. One fraction is divided by another fraction. So right here the first numerator fraction, then multiply. This one will be inverted into 4 and divided by minus 2. So here minus minus plus. If we divide this one, we will get here 4 divided by 2. There will be 2. 7 2s are 14. There is a minus minus plus. This is 14 divided by 5. And this is what is our requirement? Question number 8, 14 divided by 5. So now this is our requirement, 14 divided by 5. This is right hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, and this is proved. So dear students, I think we should explain here first step, because in the questions given the information which is we have to explain. Suppose in the third quadrant, okay, just extra add this word at third quadrant, at third quadrant, tan theta is positive, and sin theta is negative. So we should add this one, the beginning of the question. So now this is our full answer, question number 6 done. Dear students, I think there are total 6 questions in question number 8, 1 to 6. In the previous content, we have shown here 1 and 2. Now we have done here 4 questions. Let's review the next question, question number 9. There are also, in question number 9, there are also 5 questions. So first we will do 1 questions. Find the value. Question number 9. This is the first question. Find the value. This question is 9 cos 9 pi divided by 4 plus cos 5 pi divided by 4 plus sine 31 pi divided by 36 plus, sorry, this is minus sine 5 pi divided by 36. Okay, now this is questions and our requirement is find the value. First step, okay, right here. This is 2 times and 1 more. So we can write here 2s pi, 1 more means 1 times a pi divided by 4. There is 1 times and 1 more. So we can write here 4 and 5. There is 1 times plus 1 more, pi by 4. But the 31 and 36, this is 1 times less than 4. So first step, if we write here sine 1 times means pi minus 1 times 36. So there is 5 pi divided by 4. 5 pi divided by, sorry, this is not 4, this is 36. So step 1, right here 36. 36 times 36 minus 5, there will be 31. So now next one, this is the 5 pi. So you can write here 5 pi, there is 31. Okay, I think next step we will do this one, 5 pi divided by 36. Okay. Okay. Here this one is plus and there is plus. Okay. Now, first there is 2 times of pi means 4 times of pi by 2. So here no change of the cos. This one will be cos pi by 4. So now review the coordinate system. So if we see here, there is twice pi plus something, 1 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi plus something, first quadrant, all are positive. So here, no change of the cos, pi by 4, and again, pi plus something. So pi plus something means pi, and this is something, then third quadrant, cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that means this is negative. So here, there is, I think there is another plus already here, so this is minus. Now give here attention in the sign. So due to pi there is no change, right here plus sine 5 pi by 36. 180 minus something, 180 second quadrant minus something, so already second quadrant, sine is opposite by hypotenuse is positive, no change. So this is sine 5 pi divided by 36. So if we do simplification here, give the positive sign. This is the cos pi by 4 plus minus minus cos pi by 4 plus sine 5 pi by 36 minus sine 5 pi by 36. And here we can eliminate positive and negative one. There is a 0, which is our right side. So left hand side equals to right hand side, and this is proved. Okay, now we will do the next question, 9(2). Here in 9(2), this question is cot pi by 20 multiply cot 3 pi by 20 multiply cot 5 pi by 20 multiply cot 7 pi by 20 multiply cot 9 pi by 20. So just find the value of this one. Cot 1 pi to 9 pi, all are odd number, or that means odd times of pi is increasing here. Okay, first step, write cot pi by 20. Here just we will make this similarity, cot to tan, tan to cot. So now write here cot 3 pi. So first step, write here pi by 2. First step, give the minus here 20. So take the 20 LCM, there will be 10 times and then 7 pi. So now 10 minus 7, there will be 3. If we take LCM, easily we will get this one. Here, divide 5 divided by 20, there will be 4. This is 4. So cot, here we will get cot pi by 4. And so now this is remain this one cot 7 pi by 20. We can eliminate this both. And now cot 9 pi. So write here cot pi by 2 minus here minus pi by 20. Because 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Easily we can convert this one. So write here this is cot pi by 20. This is 10, first quadrant, 90 odd times 7 pi by 2, 7 pi by 20. Here this is 1. This is cot 7 pi by 20. Here in the first quadrant, and 10 pi by 20. So now we can change 10 or cot. Like this is 1 by 10 pi by 20 multiply 10, 7 pi by 20, 1 by 10, 7 pi by 20, here 10 pi by 20. So we can eliminate this 10, 10, 10 and 10, same angle. So this answer is 1, and which is our right side. So left hand side equal to right hand side and proved. So dear students, from the next class, inshallah, we will do remaining maths. And if you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer as far as your demand. And if you like my content, please subscribe my channels, and hope to see you all in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.